Hi, how you guys doing? Today I'm working with this at a 4,000 watt inverter, pure sine. So on this one, it had no AC output. So it had a bad IGBT, 80 amp. So on this ones here, they have this little isolator that goes in between that, so it doesn't arc. So it goes in between the two sides. So what you can do with this one, if you can't find that, you can use a drill and you can use a straw. And as you can see how it has it in there, the old one, well, you can do this with the straw, but it won't fit, if you don't drill it out. So we already got it all fixed up. Also today I'm working with a high quality, high frequency inverter here. I also got another one repaired today from Delta. And also working on a low frequency, but this one I will have another video because the transformer alone is about 40 pounds. They're way better, but as you can see, this one here, it's already all fixed up. And as you can see here, everything's working. You have the voltage there, and I just got to calibrate that the 120 on it. That's the only thing I have to do because it's showing 98 volts on it. But as you can see here, everything's running. Everything's perfectly fine. But I'm also using a small battery, so I don't really have the amperage to go with it. But remember, always use your pre-charged resistor to start up your inverter so you don't damage the capacitors, because that's what I see the most happening most of the time. So as you can see, this is pretty much ready to go. I just gotta adjust the voltage because I ended up switching the card out too. But this one, I do it right here. They have a couple of little screws here, and that's where I adjust the voltage for that, just so you guys know where it's done. But other than that, the unit is working perfectly fine, and this was the only thing that was wrong with it. So it's called the IGBT. Basically, that's usually the problem on the high output, on the no AC output. A lot of the times most of the time, like on these high frequency quality inverters, is actually on the input side. So that one has 4 transistors that are bad. But as you can see, everything's working here. The only problem that I still have with this one, like I said, I gotta adjust the voltage. It's 97.6, and it should be about 120. So as you can see there, everything works perfectly fine. Got it all ready to go. That was the only issue with it. It had a big ass overload. The guy was trying to start a split air conditioner, and that's what took it out. These things are really not designed for heavy loads compared to a low frequency inverter, which is a lot smaller, but the output comes out of the transformer. So they can take a heavier load versus a high frequency inverter. So that is the difference on a lot of that. So anyways, folks, I just thought I'd go over with you that was the only issue with it. In case you ever have a problem with your inverter doesn't have an AC output, most of the time will be on the output, so that way you guys know. And it's usually pretty commonly 1 or 2 that might be blown. I have a lot of work I do. I also work for Mango Power sometimes. For EcoFlow, I do a lot of the repairs for kind of out of warranty repairs for a lot of people. So they come to me, but this is not what I do for a living. I actually do pool plumbing and electrical and other stuff, a handyman, mechanical work. But I used to repair TVs 20 years ago, but I don't do this anymore. But I kind of found myself doing off-grid a lot more, so that's why I kind of end up working on this kind of stuff. The only problem is it's really hard to find parts nowadays in the United States. So we have to order them from China or other different sources. But anyways, people, I just thought I'd show you a little bit of an issue with this inverter. I told the guy to throw it away, but he said please fix it, so I'm fixing it. But it was $20. It was actually $20 for a part that I used to buy for maybe $5 at the most. So instead of $5, it turned into $20, and it took about a month to get here. So that's why I tell people just to throw them away and get new ones. But anyways, this customer really likes this inverter, so I guess I ended up fixing it for him. So there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you guys got any questions, you guys can ask me, or if I have follow-up videos on different inverters that I'm repairing for EcoFlow some are Delta. I mean, you name it. Most of the companies. So, anyways, hope you liked the video. See you guys on the next one.